If your plants are looking limp and stressed, they may need to be fed. But what do you choose? Plants need healthy roots. These are the gateways to carry water and nutrients up through the stems to the leaves, flowers, and fruits. Feeding the soil around your plants allows the tiny root hairs to absorb what they need to build up the roots, resulting in a thriving, productive plant. To fix the problem, you need a balanced formula of nutrients that work together to provide everything a plant needs. Eliminate the guesswork from all the choices on the shelves and use one product that can be used for any plant, whether it's a vegetable, fruit, or just decorative. It can also be used in hydroponic systems. Give your plants everything they need with Nutrifeed from Starke Ayres.